Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can create your account on Binance app. So for that, just go to my video description and there will be a link. Just click on that link. When you click on that link, this will be displayed in front of you. Now the benefit of clicking on the link and creating an account is that you will get some reward. So after clicking on the link, this will be a display in front of you. Now click on sign up with email or phone. When you click on this, now just write your email address here and just click on next. Now when you click on next, the Binance will send you a code on your email. Just enter that code here and again click on next. Now here set your password. Your password must be 8 character, at least one correct number and one upper or lower case. So just write your password and click on next. Now here with you will get an ID, refer ID. So my refer ID will be shown here. Or if you are not showing refer ID, just write this refer ID here and click on next. When you click on next, now it's asking you stay logged in. Just click on not now. Remember, you will click on this not now. When you click on not now, now you go to your Play Store if you are using Android mobile and download Binance app, or if you are using iPhone, go to App Store and download Binance app and open Binance app. When you open, now here at the top you can see sign up or login. Just click on this. When you click on this, now it's asking you to log in with your account. Now enter your email that you have used for creating account and password. Enter your email and password and log in to your account. When you enter login information, again Binance send you a code on your email. You have to write that code. After writing that code, just you will be logged in. When you logged in, now it's asking to set a pass key or two-factor authentication. Now for now close it, and now it's asking you to verify your account. Now again cross this account because we will verify account later. When you cross it, now you are at the home page of your Binance app. Your account has been created. Now how you will verify your account, I will tell you in next video.